August the 6th. Solving problems. Problems are made to be solved. Some of us spend more time reacting to the fact that we have a problem than we do solving the problem. Why is this happening to me? Isn't life awful? How come this had to happen? Oh dear, this is terrible. Why is God, the universe, an agency, a person, or life picking on me? Problems are inevitable. Some problems can be anticipated. Some are surprises. But the idea that problems occur regularly need never be a surprise. The good news is that for every problem, there is a solution. Sometimes the solution is immediate. Sometimes it takes a while to discover. Sometimes the solution involves letting go. Sometimes the problem is ours to solve. Sometimes it isn't. Sometimes there is something we can clearly do to solve the problem. Other times, we need to struggle, flounder, do our part, then trust our higher power for help. Sometimes the problem is just part of life. Sometimes the problem is important because we're learning something through the problem and its solution. Sometimes problems end up working out for good in our life. They get us headed in a direction that is superior to one we may otherwise have taken. Sometimes problems just are. Sometimes they are a warning sign that we are on the wrong track. We can learn to accept problems as an inevitable part of life. We can learn to solve problems. We can learn to trust our ability to solve problems. We can learn to identify which problems are trying to lead us a new direction and which simply ask for solving. We can learn to focus on the solution rather than on the problem and maintain a positive attitude toward life and the inevitable flow of problems and solutions. Take a deep breath in. Today, I will learn to trust solutions rather than be victimized by problems. I will not use problems to prove I'm helpless, picked on, or martyred. I will not point to my problems to prove how awful life is. I will learn to trust the flow of problems and solutions. God, help me solve the problems I can solve today. Help me let go of the rest. Help me believe in my ability to tackle and solve problems. Help me trust the flow. For each problem, there is a solution.